Good morning everyone and welcome to this presentation. This is Vishwanath Rai, Assistant Professor English, Rangpur Government City College, Rangpur. This presentation is designed for the newly admitted students of Rangpur Government City College, Rangpur, but the other students can be equally benefited. So my dear students, let's continue. Listen to this piece and try to recognize the person.
I have fought against white domination, and I have fought against black domination. I have carried the idea of a democratic and free society in which all nations live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die.
Our topic is related to this space and this person. So, can you now guess the topic we are going to discuss? Okay, you can check. Today we are going to discuss Unit 1, Lesson 1, People or Institution Making History. This is the title of the unit, and the title of the lesson is Nelson Mandela from Apartheid Fighter to President. I discussed the first portion in two classes, and in today's class we will finish this lesson. So my dear students, let's start. At the very beginning we find a quotation mark, that is, we find a quotation here. Let's read. He is at the epicenter of our time, ours in South Africa and yours, wherever you are. Nadine Gordimer, the South African writer and Nobel laureate for literature, once remarked. So, the Nobel laureate writer Nadine Gordimer once remarked about Nelson Mandela in this way. In this quotation, we find an unknown word. Let's first know the meaning of the unknown word. Epicenter means the point on the Earth's surface directly above an earthquake or atomic explosion. So, through this quotation, Nadine Gordimer, the South African writer, wants to mean that Nelson Mandela was at the center of their time, I mean the writer's time, ours in South Africa, writer's time in South Africa, and yours, that is our time, we can say, or the anyone who is reading this text, his time, and wherever you are, that is not only in South Africa, everywhere, in any place of the world. Actually, he wants to mean that Nelson Mandela is at the center of all time and all people of all ages. The years Mandela spent behind bars made him the world's most celebrated political prisoner and a leader of mythic stature for millions of black South Africans and other oppressed people far beyond his country's borders. Here we get another unknown word, celebrated. Celebrated means famous for having good qualities. And the synonymous words are renowned, eminent, distinguished, illustrious, and notable. And its antonym is unknown. Let's read the text again. The years Mandela spent behind bars made him the world's most celebrated political prisoner. So, Nelson Mandela spent a long time in bars, and his staying in the prison made him the most famous or renowned political prisoner and a leader of mythic stature. We find some character in mythology, and Nelson Mandela turned into a character like a mythological character for millions of black South Africans and other oppressed people far beyond the country's borders. So he turned into a person of mythic stature, not only for the South African people, but also the people, the oppressed people, anywhere, in any place of the world beyond the border of South Africa. Charged with capital offences in the 1963 Rivonia trial, his statement from the dock was his political testimony. Here we get another unknown word, testimony. Testimony means a formal thing that shows that something else exists or is true. And another meaning is a formal written or spoken statement saying what you know to be true, usually in a court. Here the second meaning has been used, and the synonymous words are statement, evidence, acknowledgement, and declaration. Let's read the text again. Charged with political offences in the 1963 Rivonia trial, his statement from the dock was his political testimony. So, here testimony means statement or evidence or acknowledgement or declaration, and his statement at the time of Rivonia trial from the dock became his political statement. He said, "During my lifetime, I have dedicated myself to this struggle of the African people. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination." Here we get another unknown word, dedicated. The word dedicated comes from the verb dedicate, and dedicate means to give a lot of your time and effort to a particular activity or purpose because you think it is important. Another meaning is to say at the beginning of a book, a piece of music, or a performance that you are doing it for somebody as a way of thanking them or showing respect. Here the first meaning has been used, and the synonymous words are donate, devote, consecrate, give, and surrender. During my lifetime, I have dedicated myself to the struggle of South African people. So Nelson Mandela devoted his life to the struggle of the South African people. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. Nelson Mandela hated all kinds of domination, so he fought against white domination and at the same time he fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities, he told the court. Here we get another unknown word, cherished. The word cherished comes from the verb cherish, and cherish means to love somebody, something very much and want to protect them or it. Another meaning is to keep an idea, a hope or a pleasant feeling in your mind for a long time. Here the second meaning has been used and the synonymous words are treasure, value, appreciate or relish, and its antonym is neglect. During my lifetime, I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. So, Nelson Mandela cherished, that is fostered, the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunity. So he dreamed of a society which will be free. He dreamed of a society in which there will be peace and harmony. There will be equal opportunity for the people of all types. There will be equal opportunity for the black and the white. He dreamed of a society like this, and he told this when he faced the Livonia trial. It is an ideal I hope to live for and to achieve, but if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. Nelson Mandela cherished this ideal and he wanted to live for this ideal, and if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. He was ready to sacrifice his life for this ideal. Friends adored Mandela and fondly called him Madiba, the clan name by which he was known. People lauded his humanity, kindness and dignity. Here we get another unknown word, clan. Clan means a group of families, especially in Scotland, who originate from the same family and have the same name. And the synonymous words are clique, coterie, band, circle and in group. Friends of Nelson Mandela loved him greatly and lovingly they called him Madiba, the clan name, that is the in-group name by which he was known. People praised his humanity, kindness and dignity. My dear students, now evaluation. Here you find some multiple questions for you. Try to answer the questions. What does the word epicenter mean? One option is the point on the Earth's surface directly above an earthquake or atomic explosion. Number 2, the point above the source of a storm. Number 3, the point beside the source of a volcano. And the last one, the place near a lake. Question number 2, what does the word celebrated mean? Number 1, first option, celebrity. Second option, renowned. Third option, mean. And the fourth option, infamous. Question 3, the word testimony means, here we find again 4 options. Option 1, ceremony. Option 2, evidence. Option 3, harmony. And the last option is performance. Question 4, what does the word dedicate mean? And the 4 options are devote, educate, duplicate, and consume. Question 5, what is the antonym of cherish? And the 4 options are foster, value, appreciate, and neglect. The last question, the word clan means, here the 4 options are plan, pseudonym, maiden name, in-group. My dear students, I have already discussed the meaning of all these words. I think you can easily answer all the questions if you follow the lecture sincerely. Can you answer the questions? Perhaps you have already written down your answers in your notebook. You can check the answer. Here they are. These are the answers. Number 1, the point on the Earth's surface directly above an earthquake or atomic explosion. Number 2, renowned. Number 3, evidence. Number 4, devote. Number 5, neglect. And number 6, in group. While writing the answer in your exam, you will mention the option number. I mean, in the first answer I have used the option number 1. In the same way, in the next questions you will mention the option number. And now homework for you. Answer the following questions. What is Nadine Gordimer and what did he say about Nelson Mandela? Question B, when did Mandela face the Rivonia trial and what did he say from the talk? Question C, what was the ideal of Mandela? And the last question, what did his friends call him and why did people praise him? These are the questions, and if you follow the lecture sincerely, I think you will be able to answer all these questions. So my dear students, that's all today. Thank you very much.